Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. This side Veronica and you're watching Beauty's Crown. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my brows with the help of my facial razor and how I remove all my facial hair and get that clean and spotless skin. So beauties, without delay, let's get started. And beauties, just excuse me for this echo of my voice because I'm shooting this in my washroom actually, and because I'm here to give you a live demo that how I do this. So the first thing is I'm going to remove my makeup, and for that here I'm taking this Plum Baked Good Cleansing Balm. This will gonna take off your makeup like one swipe. So let me show you. Here it is. I'm already using it and this is amazing. So beauties, after removing my makeup, you can see this cleansing balm just removes your makeup so amazingly. Not only makeup, it will gonna remove all the oil, dirt, and that it will gonna cleanse your face totally. So this is like amazing thing. Whoa. So now the next thing is scrubbing, and for that here I'm taking Face Shop. Let me show you. Yes, my Face Shop Smart Peeling. And I just love this Smart Peeling White Gel Pearl. This will gonna remove again all the dirt. So before doing any shaving or any kind of thing, always remember, don't forget to do that scrubbing because scrubbing is must. This is very mild and you can see as you're gonna rub it on your face, you can see it started peeling. This is not like a normal scrub, but beauties, you can go with a normal face scrub, walnut scrub. Everuse walnut scrub is amazing. Just do this scrubbing kind of thing. And after doing this scrubbing, beauties, I'm going to wash my face again with water. So beauties, here I am again after washing my face with this scrub. Scrub removes all the dirt and everything. So before doing this razor thing, this scrubbing is important. So now the next is applying a moisturizer. Here I'm taking this Neutrogena moisturizer. This is also having SPF actually, but this is amazing moisturizer. So I'm using this moisturizer because never apply that razor thing on your face when your skin is dry or something, because then it will gonna damage your skin. So always apply aloe vera gel or any moisturizer before using the razor. So here is my razor. It is from Serona and I bought it from Amazon. I'm going to share the link of all my products in my description box. So beauty, just don't forget to check my description box. So you can see, let's start with the brows. What you have to do, take your razor and do it like this. And when you are going to apply the razor here, just make sure stretch the skin and do it like this. Beauties, do it very carefully and gently. And for this, you can do one more thing. You can just go and outline your brows so that you can see where are the extras, and you can just remove it. So always take your eyebrow pencil and make your eyebrow outline just your brows and then use this razor. Now for the upper lips. So here it is done. Doing this razor thing, beauties, will gonna help you a lot. I do it like in every third day or like 2 times a week because my hair growth is too good. So I have to do it like it's so good that I have to do it twice a week to keep my skin clean, face clean actually. So this is how I do my brows and upper lips. I never go to salon because now actually I just switched to this. I am not going to salons because they always make my brows very thin and very edgy kind of. I just don't like them. So that's why I opted for this. I start doing this razor and facial hair thing and I'm super duper happy. So this is how I just remove my hair and everything. Now let's proceed to next and last is applying your favorite moisturizer. Here I am taking this rice ceramide again from Face Shop. You can go with aloe vera gel, you can go with any moisturizer just to moisturize the skin. So here I am taking a little amount of it. You can see this moisturizer I just love. This is an emulsion actually. This is not a moisturizer, this is emulsion. Emulsion is best for oily skin people or acne prone skin people. My skin is like a little bit oily, so that's why I'm applying it. So hey, here I'm done. So this is how I remove my facial hair. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any requested video, just comment it in the comment section. See you in my next video. Please subscribe my channel. Love you guys. Bye and take care.